The mirror over here, I cannot stop looking. Can we just look at these parts one more time? Oh, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes getting out can make it grow. Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Jay, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for sliding through, and if you're returning, thanks for coming to kick up with your girl once more. You guys, okay, first of all, just when I thought braid season was over, I'm back with more, you guys. And today I'm so obsessed. I went with a really curly hair this time, and I got this inspo because I just love to see like the girlies that do use their natural hair, and then they do like the knotless or the boho braids or whatever with their natural hair. And I'm like, I wish I could do that, but the way my hair texture is set up, I can't do that. So you guys, I'm obsessed with this hair. I do want to say thanks to YG Wigs for sponsoring today's video. They provided us with 3 bundles of their 20-inch deep wave hair, and you guys, I wasn't even sure I was going to be with this. I wasn't even sure. Just look at the quality of the hair. Are you serious? And today I did do something different from what I normally do. You guys, we got triangle parts. Are you serious? You guys, done by me. No help, no assistance. Are you serious? So I'm not gonna hold y'all up because I know what you're here for. Let's go ahead and get into the products real quick so we can get this thing on the road, okay? All right, so as far as products that we're using today, like I said, YG Wigs, they provide us with 3 of their 20-inch deep wave bundles, you guys. They are so eating. I just absolutely love the packaging that it came in. It came in a nicely wrapped box. You can tell that a lot of effort went into the packaging for this box, which I really do like. Aside from the bundles, it has some cute little knickknacks that it did come with. One, it came with some clips, an edge brush, a wig cap, and a nice sturdy comb. I really do like that they put a lot of extra products in there that you might need, and I need them all. So the bundles, I did get 3 of the 20-inch deep wave bundles, and you guys, the bundles themselves were so dense. When I tell you, the quality was on 10, and it came with a really cute clip. And the company overall had the best customer service. I just really love their whole approach to everything. So again, thanks to YG Wigs for sponsoring today's video. Other things that I did use, of course, you guys know my handy dandy braiding rack, and of course my go-to, the magic fingers, a continuous hairspray bottle, edge control, and then a 3-way mirror. If you don't have your 3-way mirror yet, then you are asleep. These things are going to be listed down in the description box, just if you have any questions or you want to get it for yourself. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video because I know what you're here for. I'm not trying to hold you up, and so you can thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Can we take a minute to just highlight the hair we're going to be using? The thickness is on 10, guys. Look at the curls. Are these curls just not the cutest ever? It's giving real hair. You guys know I swear by my braiding rack and prepping before I start. This just makes it a whole lot easier, especially when you're doing it yourself. So this is going to be the size of hair that we feed into each braid, and it is going to be 3 pieces per braid. So I've learned that it's easier when I just separate it on the rack like that, just put it in sections of 3, so I can accurately count how much is supposed to be in each braid. Please excuse my face in the back. So parting is going to be a whole different monster when it comes to this style. As you see, I have what you call moving scalp. So it looks like my parts are crooked, but they're really not, I swear. So I like to go in with gel just to kind of define the part. And then when you're at the nape of your neck, you want to make sure that you're putting it on the bottom. So as you see, I'm just putting some gel there, and then I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to comb it in. And after I've combed it in, I'm going to smooth it in. And after I've smoothed it in, then I get to parting. So you want to make sure that you are starting the triangle parts the correct way, because let me tell you now, if you don't do it right the first time, as you go up the top of your head, it's just really not going to make sense. Trust me, this is the second time I had to do this. So starting the braid, I do it like I do normal. I split it into 3 sections, and then I feed in the human hair at the base. If you do this all over your head, it's going to give you a lot more volume. I like to do it a lot in the back and not so much at the top, and you'll be able to see that. After I've secured my base with the human hair, then I begin to feed in the actual braiding hair, and I'm going to be feeding in 3 pieces. And so you're just going to braid down just like normal, and then you'll see where I'm going to add in some human hair towards the middle. So as you see, we've gotten a whole lot accomplished, but I did want to come back just to show you guys one more time how I do feed in the hair. So this is just a visual so you can just kind of see. All right, so we got a whole lot more done, you guys. When I tell you time is literally flying, can you just see how wait a minute. You guys, I did not see that little piece of hair hanging out until this exact moment. Oh my gosh, how embarrassing. Well, my hair is done now. What can I do? So to ensure that your parts are looking good, you want to stop periodically just to make sure that those sections are even all the way across. And that's just what I do with my fingers. So I went ahead and parted those sections out and gelled them down. So that way I don't have to keep on looking. I can just keep on going braiding just like I'm doing it on the client. So I'm here in the front, and to be honest, I don't really have much to say. I'm doing the same thing on the front that I've done in the back. Remember I told you guys I like to do a lot of volume in the bottom and not so much in the top? I don't know, I just don't want my hair to look like a bird's nest. I don't know, just my personal opinion, my tea. So anyway, I'm just going ahead and braiding, and as you see, this hair is not fraying. That just goes ahead and speaks to the quality of the actual hair. And I did want to show you guys how I do the knots, so let's go ahead and get into it. So with this hair, my hair is really long, and I only use 42 inches of hair because I didn't want the hair all the way down to my waist. So this is how I'm going to do the knot. I just simply wrap it around the braid and then loop it through my finger and just pull it tight down. Again, wrap it around my finger, loop it through, and then just pull it down tight. Not only does this secure the braid, but also when it's time to take my hair out, I don't have to worry about cutting my hair because I did the knot below my hair. Alright guys, so I know I haven't done much talking in the video, but welcome to trigonometry class, you guys. When I tell y'all these triangles are nothing to play with, but I did want to slow it down just so I could show you guys my parting method. Because I mean, sleek parts in this style is the name of the game. Like, do you see how my triangles? Baby, my trig teacher would be surprised. Do you see? Do you see? And I know right now it looks a little like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? But you just gotta see it through to the end. You just gotta see it through to the end, y'all. Now we're just gonna go ahead and get over to the other side. And as you see, the triangles are triangulating. Okay? I want to show you guys how I'm going to part on the top. So this is kind of, you know, wonky, but like I said, you just gotta use any geometry skills that you have left in you. So you see how I have like parts that are here, and then I have parts that are there, and then here. And so the best way to make your parts be as symmetrical as possible is just to follow the lines that you already have. You see what I'm saying? See how this line just goes directly across? Take this line and go directly across. We're just gonna add some gel. Now that we have that one, we're going to go from this back side and connect it over here. All right, so we have completely finished all of the braids, you guys. This took me about 6 hours to do in total. That's kind of a record. Usually when you're doing hair on yourself, it takes a little bit longer, but I came home and I was like, nope, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, this took about 6 hours and we are done. Let me just give y'all a 360 view so y'all can check out the parts, because the parts are so crisp. I just love these so much, and the reason why I never do it is just because I know it can be time consuming and all that, but what I've learned is pay attention to your base. What you do to your base is going to make or break the rest of the style, because if your base is janky, then when you start getting to the top, you're going to be able to tell. It's going to make it a lot more difficult. But yeah, so we are about to get to the part where we are going to curl the ends. You want to make sure that you curl your ends first before you do any cutting, just because when you cut, it's going to create the it's going to make the ends blunt, and then you'll see it unraveling all your hard work and you're going to be real pissed off. So yeah, so let me go ahead and get to the part where we're going to curl the ends, and I'll show you guys my method for that. I'm going to go ahead and collect all of the hair, and yeah, so since this hair is more like a deep wave, I want my ends to match the curl pattern. If you don't have a roller or a flexi rod this size, it's perfectly fine because we're not even going to use either one. So what I'm doing now is I'm just collecting all of the human hair so it can be out the way for us to do the curling of the ends.
So this method I'm doing here, I learned from seeing my mom get her hair done in African shops when I was growing up. So you're just going to take a piece of thread, and you can honestly use some of the braiding hair as well, but I just had some thread on hand. Get a few braids together, you're just going to wrap it around the top, and then you're going to loosely wrap it as you go towards the bottom. Very loosely. Don't do it too tight. You literally want to do it loosely as possible. If you do it too tight, you won't be able to slide it up like you want. Now that you have it all the way at the bottom, you're just going to pull, and you see it's all going to gather, creating like a spiral. And that's what you want. You're just going to tie it off and do the rest of your head, and then you're going to dip those spirals.
This is the curl. I think it matches really, really good with the human hair. Yeah. And so I'm just going to separate the curls a little bit just so it looks a little bit more full. Yeah. You guys, I absolutely am so astonished by this hairstyle. I don't know why I always seem to underestimate the length of my hair, because I really, really wanted these to be more like shoulder length, but my hair is like bona fide back length. So I don't even know why I was thinking that was gonna be a possibility. So now what we're gonna do, I'm going to completely saturate the hair because I wanna do some face framing curls. Like, I want them to like kind of frame my face a little bit. I gotta be careful not to cut my own hair because y'all, my hair is so long. Like, I really don't have any room to budge on this hair. And that's also why I didn't add curls to the ends, is because my natural hair is just too long for that. Like, my hair is too long. So I'm just going to clean this up a little bit, you guys. When I tell y'all the texture of this hair is literally eating. This is my first time working with this brand, and yo, they really, really served. Like, they really delivered with this hair. It looks and feels so, so good. This is so cute. Let's go ahead and get these edges together. Okay, you guys, the hair is done and it is absolutely eating. I just love it so much. Like, wow. It looks like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like, it's so full. It's very, very lightweight. And y'all, the hair is so freaking soft. Like, it's so soft. I don't even know how to explain it. I actually want to even separate the curls a little bit more because it's just so freaking soft. Baby, I need this in bundles. I know, you guys, but let me go ahead and give you a 360 so you can get the full view. Just absolutely obsessed with this. I'm so glad that I decided to try it, and I'm so glad I didn't go shorter either, even though shorter would have really, really ate them up. I don't know, but you guys, I'm pleasantly like surprised. Like, I wasn't sure about the triangles. It's a mirror over here. I cannot stop looking. Once again, thanks again to YG Wigs for sponsoring today's video, you guys. I'm gonna have a link down in the description below if you want to go get you some. This is perfect if you are a braider or if you're just starting out. The hair is very easy to feed in, and that is actually gonna be it. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful. Do please leave any questions that you have, if you need any tips or anything like that, down in the comments below. Y'all know I love a good comment. I love to interact with you all anytime that I can help you achieve a hairstyle or anything like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.